Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change side markers on a Dodge Charger widebody. First, gather your essential tools, a plastic trim removal tool, and your new side marker assembly. Make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off and the engine has cooled down. It's also a good idea to have a soft cloth ready to protect your paint from any accidental scratches while you work. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement. Now, let's remove the old side marker. Carefully insert your plastic trim tool behind the edge of the marker, applying gentle pressure. Slowly pry the marker away from the fender opening until it comes loose. Once it's free, locate the electrical connector attached to the back. Press the small release tab and pull the connector apart to fully detach the old marker. With the old marker removed, it's time to install the new one. First, take your new side marker and firmly connect its electrical plug to the vehicle's wiring harness. Ensure it clicks securely into place. Next, carefully align the new marker with the opening in the fender panel. Apply gentle, even pressure and press the marker firmly until you hear it click, indicating it's properly seated. Finally, let's test your new side marker. Turn on your vehicle's headlights or parking lights to verify that the new marker illuminates correctly and consistently. Take a moment to visually inspect the installed marker for a snug fit. Ensure there are no visible gaps around the edges and that it sits flush with the fender. If everything looks good, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.